Hello, welcome back again to the digital math tutor. From the angle and the figure we see here, this is a triangle. You can see this is a triangle. The whole of this is a triangle. So we're expected to find the value of x. This is x here. Finding the value of x. So the question is, how do we go about it? You already have 70 in this place. You have 70 here. Then you have all of this. You're having this mark, you're having this mark. So what is the value of x? So what do we actually do? Let's go right now. Now, from what we have here, look at it. When you have something like this, you have this type of triangle like I was seeing here, and you have this sign. It shows that this triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a type of triangle that has two sides and two angles equal, because once there are two sizes that are equal, there also should be two angles that are equal. That means these two sizes, 1 and 2, are equal. This one is the one that is longer, is different from all of them. And because these two sides are equal, it means that the angle in this place, okay, let me get it this way. It means that the angle here and the angle here will be equal. That is very important. That's exactly what it is. Now, if you look at the whole of this, there's no angle here is given. None is given here. None is given here. So how do we finally find this? Very simple. Let's go now. Let's see how it goes. So what we're going to do, we'll now remember a rule in triangle, a triangular rule or an angle rule that says angle on a straight line equals 180 degrees. Look at this, is a straight line. You see it? So for the fact we have 70 here, it means that this straight line, this is angle 70. We have this angle here. What will it be? So if this is 70, 180 minus 70 means that this angle here will be 110 degrees. So you have 110 here. That's what it is. It's 110. So if this is 110, if you remember, inside this triangle now we have 110, it means that the whole of this angle here and here will be 70. And that's another way. The direct external angle is equal to the two opposite angles. So this 70 is equal to this plus this. It's another way, theorem in, angle theorem or triangular, formula. Now, if this is 110, the combination of this and this will give us 70. If you still follow this way, that's 70. And if we say that this angle and this angle are equal, it simply means that if the two of them are summed up to 70, one of them will be 35. That means here we have 35 degrees and 35 degrees. If you add this 35, 70 plus 110 is 180. The entire triangle is completed. So we are correct. So we have 35 here. And for the fact we have 35 here, it's going to help us to solve this x. Now look at this here again. From here to here is a straight line. And remember the rule again. The sum angle of a straight line is 180 degrees. So if we already have 35 here and this straight line divided by this, we'll have another angle here. So the question is now 180 minus 35 is going to give us 145. So the value of s is 145 degrees. Did you get it? Go through the video once again. Go over it again. Follow exactly what I said. As you are doing it, you're writing down. It's very simple. So the value of this x as shown here is 145 degrees. That's what it is. If you are new to this channel, do it to subscribe. You're going to have more and more and more of this. Don't forget to share this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if it makes sense to you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.